I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. Today we're going to show you how to replace the 12-volt battery on this 2015 Audi Q7. It's actually located underneath the driver's seat, and it's a little bit harder to get to. But we'll show you the steps and the tools so you can get the job done. Before we begin, it's always a good idea to check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Here's how it's done. The first step is to use a host battery and jumper cables to connect to the jump post on the vehicle. This will keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. With the driver's seat all the way forward, the next step is to remove the plastic covers from the seat track. Then, remove the fastener for the footwell vent using a T25 Torx bit. And remove the vent. Next, remove the plastic trim panels. And the carpeted panel. A long screwdriver can help with this. Next, remove the fastener for each seat track. You'll need a 10mm 12-point bit for that. The next step is to pivot the seat frame backwards and then advance the seat into its forwardmost position. Now we can release the clips on the battery cover, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to remove the connector for the current sensor. Press down on the tab and pull out the connector. Then loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for this. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Now we can remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Then, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal and set it off to the side. Be sure the positive cable doesn't touch any metal parts on the vehicle. The next step is to remove the fasteners for the battery's hold-on brackets. You'll need a 10mm socket and extension for this. And then remove the brackets. Now we can remove the old battery. Before installing the new battery, insert the vent plug into the side of the battery opposite the vent hose. And install the new battery. Then, reinstall the fasteners for the battery's hold-down brackets. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery terminals and cable connections. The next step is to reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten its fastener. Then, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten its fastener. And reinstall the current sensor connector. Then reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery. And check the vent tube for any cracks or damage. Now we can reinstall the battery's cover and secure all 4 clips. We are now ready to pivot the seat frame forward, but first, move the seat far enough back to clear the steering wheel. Position the seat all the way back and then reinstall the seat frame fastener. Now we can reinstall the carpeted panel and plastic trim panels. Now we can reinstall the floor vent and tighten its fastener. Now we can reinstall the rear plastic seat track covers. Finally, we can reinstall the floor mats, and we're done. This vehicle requires registration when a new battery is installed. Use a registration tool to complete this process. We are using an Autel BT608, and we'll show you the steps using this device.